super simple conversation, but an important one today. Let me tell you, first off, this comes with three curved, 3 flat connectors. I've used these. I've actually physically used them up, which is why I reordered them. The things that I haven't used up, but I really love, and I think it makes it almost worth more than the adhesive mounts, are these connectors, because of these connectors. Now, these look like, you're like, Doug, these are any generic connector would work. Who the hell cares? I'll tell you why. Because these have the nut built into it. So there is no nut retained here. You're never going to go like this and be like, and it pops out and rolls away into the dirt and you're trying to figure out how to get your shoot done. This is all built in as one piece. So anytime you can eliminate parts, it's a good thing with me and Elon Musk. And I think it's great that these are eliminated. I will also tell you, I don't know how they make these. I think they're not quite as tall as the stock GoPro ones that are raised, and I think that gives them a lot more strength, because I tend to break these a lot and I never break theirs. So I'm going to say, if you're looking at this kit, it's a win on all the different directions. The only one that I would say isn't a win, like I think I have 1,000 of the low ones. You never break the low ones, and everything comes with a low one. So if you're just starting your collection, you can start your 1,000 of low one connections, but the adhesive one is great. High one is double great. Really good idea. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.